Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do you have a job for me? Electrical Services, Andre Gregory. In today's video, we're not going to be incompetent. We're going to read out of the National Electrical Code Book 2020 on grounding and bonding on an electrical system so we can stay safe, respect energy, and be a professional. Okay, Article 250, grounding and bonding. States this article covers general requirements for grounding and bonding of electrical installation and the specific requirements in 1 through 6. The requirement, number 1, systems, circuits, and the equipment required a permitted or not permitted to be grounded. Circuit conductors can be grounded on grounded systems, location of grounding connections, types and sizes of grounding and bonding conductors and electrodes, methods of grounding and bonding, conditions under which guards, insulation, or insulation may be substituted for grounding. Okay, we're going to go through that real quick. All right, systems, circuits, and equipment required, permitted. This is an electrical system. It's a panel. Okay? You have to respect it. There's 200 amps going in this panel. It's a terrorist. It will attack you if you don't respect it. All right, down here at the bottom, nationally known, color-coded, is the white conductor. We usually call that the grounded conductor. And the bare aluminum clad and the bare copper is the grounding for the grounding system that's tied in on this bottom bus bar that's bonded to the can so we can stay safe and your electrical equipment inside the house can stay safe. All right. The wire method going down this bare copper is called PVC conduit. Okay. And it's going to an electrode to earth. Okay. Now we're going to continue reading. Article 250-4. General requirements for grounding and bonding. The following general requirement identify what grounding and bonding of electrical systems are required to accomplish. The prescriptive methods contained in Article 250 shall be followed to comply with the performance requirements of this section. Okay? Grounded systems. This is a grounded systems, ladies and gentlemen. Right here at the bottom. It's tied in together. All right. Number 1, electrical systems grounding. Electrical systems that are grounded shall be connected to earth in a manner that will limit the voltage imposed by lightning, line surges, or unintentional contact with higher voltage lines, and that will stabilize the voltage to earth during normal operation. Number 2, grounding of electrical equipment, normally non-current carrying conductive materials, enclosed electrical conductors or equipment or forming parts of such equipment shall be connected to earth so as to limit the voltage to ground on these materials. Number 3, bonding of electrical equipment, normally non-current carrying conductive materials, enclosing electrical conductors or equipment or forming part of such equipment shall be connected together and to be the electrical supply source in the manner that establishes effective ground fault current path. Bonding or electrically conductive materials and other equipment, normally non-current carrying electrically conductive materials that are likely to become energized shall be connected together and to be the electrical supply source in the manner that establishes an effective ground fault current path. Number 5, effective ground fault current path. Electrical equipment and wiring and other electrically conductive material likely to become energized shall be installed in a manner that creates a low impedance circuit facilitating the operation of the overcurrent device or ground detector for high impedance grounded systems. It shall be capable of safely carrying the maximum ground fault current likely to be imposed on it from any point on the wiring system where a ground fault may occur to the electrical supply source. The earth shall not be considered as an effective ground fault current path. Okay. Let's go over this a little bit. This is what you call grounded in the grounding system, this bottom bus bar right here. These are your energized circuits going to the breaker inside your home in a single family dwelling. All right. Up top that we cannot get to is the line source coming from the power pole. All right. You have to respect electricity. You have to be safe. And if you don't know what you're doing, seek a professional. I am available at 850-572-9320. Thank you.